Hello everybody. Hello, welcome to my channel, Monique Pacapaya. It's nice to have you again in my kitchen for another recipe. Today we're gonna have something special. We're gonna have some jerk chicken. I don't know if you had that before. If not, we're gonna make it together. You'll see how it is. It's so easy. It's a Jamaican dish, but it's gonna be like Haitian style today. Okay, so we're not gonna talk too much today. Je dis à nous pas faire un bagage qui est le jerk chicken. C'est un manger Jamaican qui est lié, mais nous allons faire la manière haïtienne. Nous avons tout ingrédient là. This is what we're gonna need. You don't have to have the pickles, but you know. Haitian sauce, we're gonna add some pickles. Homemade spice. But this you have to have for the jerk chicken. Okay? It says Calypso chutney, spicy. I don't know, but I was told you need to have this. All right. I don't think we're gonna talk too much today, so nous allons commencer et we're gonna go straight to it. Ciao. best way to do it is to put it on boil in the oven after 4 hours, or the best result would be overnight. Okay, so we're gonna put it in the stove for at least an hour. Okay, all right. Got some okra salad, fried plantain, and I have my jerk chicken. Jerk chicken. Looks good. Hey guys, this is the final result. This is my jerk chicken. Smells so good. All right, I'm gonna try a plate. You know, that's my favorite spot. I like to try a plate. So I'm gonna make myself a plate, okay? I'm gonna make myself a plate, okay? So I can tell you how it is. Smells really good. Smells really good. I'm gonna have some okra. Of course, some salad. And I'm gonna use some fried plantain. Looks nice, right? So you can go on my YouTube channel, Monique Pakapala. You can find how to make okra, how to make fried plantain, how to make your own spice. You can find those videos. You can watch those videos. I didn't have to go through everything again, but you can go watch those videos, okay? All right. I'm gonna put some gravy on it. See that? Mmm. So good. It's very good. That jerk chicken is very good. Mmm. Look how tender it is, guys. Wow. Mm. Guys, it is so delicious. Please try it. And then comment down below how did you like yours, okay? Comment, please, down below. How did you like yours? Try it, please. It's very good, very tender, not too spicy. I put my pickles, of course. That item that I told you in the beginning is not spicy. It says spicy on the thing, but it's not spicy at all. To me, it's not spicy. So anyway, want to come to say hi? Come on. But anyway, I hope you like it. Try it. I'm gonna have some aqua. Come say bye. I'm gonna try some aqua. You know how to make aqua by now. If not, you can watch the video how to make your own aqua. I have it. Fried plantain. So crispy. Oh my gosh, that jerk chicken? It's good. It's good. I hope you like it. Please share, like, comment. Share, like, comment. Okay? I'm gonna enjoy my food. Let me enjoy my food, okay, guys? I'll see you next time for the next video.